What's up guys, today me and my friend Matthias is gonna play FNAF co-op. So we're just gonna start. Yeah. Okay, we're starting. And we are gonna start with FNAF It. Okay, we're gonna start just playing Five Nights at Freddy's 1 in this game. Select, night 1, select. And we're starting. Kom nu Mathias. So we are here. Well, I don't know what my friend is doing. Sorry if my mic is bad. Kommer du? Okay, so we are going over to our office. Where the phone is ringing. I'm just gonna sit here. Okay, the phone guy is gone. Mathias, jeg tjekker herude. So, Bonnie, Freddy, and Tika are here. They all are here. I'm just gonna go up to them. Never mind, don't do that actually. So you don't touch the robots. Okay. Matthias, ikke rør robotterne. Okay, so I just told him not to touch the robots because now I'm dead. So we're just gonna start again. Go up to the robots. Up på scenen. Up on the stage. Go up here. No, not there. Venstre. Foran dig. Foran dig. Foran dig. Og så højre. And then just touch a robot. Boom! We did it! Yay. We just beat 2 minutes in Freddy's. Damn! This was easy! Play again! This is probably the easiest game ever. As you can see, I just won. So I'm actually pretty good. Actually pretty good. I know. Okay. Skip. Shop. What do we got at the shop, bro? Extra percentage trap. Taser. I'm just gonna close the shop. Okay, so we're starting the night when he enters the office. The night has started. Okay. So it's night 1. It's the best night ever. Everything is great right now. Okay. Mathias, du har kontoret, jeg har hvor de er.
Ja, så jeg behøver kigge på kameraet.
Nej. Okay, so we just gotta beat 6 hours of Freddy's. Oh, and if you like this video and want to see more, for example, more multiplayer or something, then make sure to hit the like button. Then and subscribe button. Then I'll know that you guys want to see more of this. I mean, I like this, and I like every single video. So, I mean, the robots still aren't where they used to be. It's incredible. I uploaded like 8 videos in one day. That's crazy. Party time. Oh, Jesus Christ. His eyeballs are lazy as fuck. Oh my god. The bathroom. Okay. Mathias, jeg vil bare lige hurtigt sige, at den her video er ikke lavet for børn. Okay, the bathroom. Hørte du mig, Mathias? Den her video er ikke lavet for børn. Altså, jeg mener ved grund af, at det er horror. Anyways, by the way, do you guys like that Five Nights Tower Defense or Five Nights at Freddy's Tower Defense? I really like that series. That series is probably gonna be one of the biggest. I really like that game. Very fun. Also because I got a mythic in first try. Guys, do you hear that? He's singing. Okay. Bonnie's leaving. Bonnie's leaving. Bonnie er ved gangen. Bonnie er ved gangen, ikke ved døren. No, don't close the doors. Why are you closing the doors? Når jeg siger Bonnie is going, så betyder det, at han kommer. Hvis jeg siger Chica is going, betyder det, at Chica kommer. Hvis jeg siger Freddy is going, betyder det, at Freddy kommer. Og hvis jeg siger Foxy is running, betyder det, at Foxy løber. Okay, so Bonnie is at the left hallway. That's great. Well, I gotta check if he's not there anymore. Okay, he's still there. It's going kind of good. I'm looking. Han er inde i kosteskabet. He's going in the kosteskab. Mathias, han er ikke væk. Og det er ikke en hund.
Den anden hun er gået. Kyllingen er gået.
Chica's going. Mathias, bord. She's at the tables. Okay. Hun er ved bordene. Bonnie is going. Don't close the door. Åbn døren. Mathias, ved du hvad open door betyder? Okay, og close door.
Ja, det ved jeg sgu.
Okay, good. Hvad mener du med hun? Men det er en han, Mathias. Mathias, hvad laver du?
Hun står lige ude foran den.
Det er ikke en hund. It's not a she. He keeps calling it a she, bro. Jesus Christ. Can you just chill? For 4 seconds? He's not at the door. Mathias, han er ikke ved døren. Han er lige om lidt ved døren. Han er ikke ved døren.
Han går væk fra døren nu.
Han er ved døren.
Ja, altså, hvad sagde jeg?
Nu er han før, var han ikke?
Jo, han stod hele tiden ved døren.
Ja, han stod bag ved døren først.
Bare husk at snakke engelsk.
Yeah, okay, so what I'm trying to explain to my Danish friend is that he was behind the door, but he keeps thinking that he was at the door. Okay, Chica is hallway. Venstre højre hallway. So we're doing kind of bad right now. Don't mind me talking all that Danish. Jesus Christ.
Jeg er lige der, Magnus.
Jesus Christ! Why are you closing the doors?
Ja, hun står lige.
Hun er der ikke!
Jo,
She's not there!
jo, lad mig med åbne, lad mig med åbne.
Jesus Christ! 1 hour left! Ah, Jesus Christ! Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Stop that freaking! Oh wait, we won. Close the doors. Yeah, okay, guys, we basically won.
Vi skal væk, Magnus.
Close all doors. Luk alle døre. Vi har nok strøm. So we basically won, so we're just closing all the doors right now.
Det er kun 35.
Mathias, klokken er 5 a.m. He's saying, oh no, we only got 35. Well, the clock is 5 a.m. So, I don't think it matters.
Væk nu, den er væk.
Don't look at cams. Ikke kig på kamera. Ikke kig på kamera. Alt dørs. I told you! I told you! Woo! We did it! Mathias, videoen slukker lige om lidt. Jeg siger til, den slukker. Yeah, we did it! Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this, and we'll see you all in the next video.